Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here in Cornwall this weekend for a cooking retreat with the team from Charlie Oven. I've had my oven now for about 4 or 5 months. I actually first saw it about just over a year ago in London, but it took me a good 6 months to justify the actual cost for getting one of these because they're not exactly cheap. But as the saying goes, you get what you pay for, and this is a British designed, British built, serious bit of kit, and it will last you a lifetime. As I said, I've had mine for about 4 or 5 months now, and I use it 3 or 4 times a week. So much so we don't really use our oven in the kitchen. We can grill on it, we can bake on it. I do bread, I do cakes, we do fish, we hang all types of meat in there. We do breakfasts. Anything you can do inside or on a regular barbecue or pizza oven, you can do in one of these. So much so now that I actually set up my own TikTok channel, Fire Cooking Chris, and I put out videos a couple of times a week, and it's gained a lot of ground now, and I hope really we'll continue to do that for the next year or two. But if you're thinking of getting an outdoor oven anytime soon, please consider the Charlie Oven. It may be a bit pricey, but boy, it will last you a lifetime.